Top 5 deadliest snakes on the planet. At number 5, we've got the death adder, a snake with venom so potent it can kill a person in just 6 hours. Moving on to number 4, the king cobra. The largest venomous snake on Earth, one bite can take down an elephant, let alone a human. Number 3, the blue crate. Small but deadly, its venom is 10 times more toxic than a cobra's. Coming in at number 2, the eastern brown snake, responsible for more deaths in Australia than any other group of snakes. And finally, the most lethal of them all, the inland taipan. Its venom can kill 100 fully grown men with a single bite. Be safe out there, folks. These slithery creatures aren't to be trifled with.